Good morning, people.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Lazel. What happened to the others? I'm not able to see you. See, Lazel is such a good boy. He's turning on the camera every day in the morning, right, Lazel? Fateh, Barira, Ihan. Come on, please turn on your camera. Lazel, you'll get a star for every day turning on the camera without asking. Barira,
Yes.
how are you?
Good.
That's nice. Fateh, Ihan, come on, guys. Where are you guys?
Lizel, were you in the sports day or no?
Okay.
No?
We have to select a class leader, right? Do you remember?
What?
We used to do that.
Yeah, who's the class leader?
So
The monitor.
let's make a wheel, okay? Let's spin the wheel.
Yeah, but Joanne is already the monitor. Ma'am,
When did we decide that?
ma'am, how do I play sports because I'm not in Dubai?
Sorry, I didn't get you, dear.
It's okay. I am also not in Dubai. I'm not in Dubai, so I can go.
Okay, Ihan, I can see your camera, but I cannot see you. So I'm going to pick the names of people, those who are here and on time. Okay? Sounds good?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds good?
Oh yeah. It's definitely going to be me.
I am going to write everyone's name. Wait. Okay, Barira is here.
I'm scared if it picks Lazel.
Lazel.
I'm really scared if it picks
Fateh, I'm
Lazel.
just writing half of your name, okay? Fateh.
Milan, no, not Milan.
Ihan. Milan has joined.
Yes, joined. Please don't put his name. I'm sorry, my speaker was having a problem. Oh no! Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Okay,
morning.
so I'm writing Milan's name as well. And whom do we have here? Amila is here. Amila? Ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
3, 4, 5,
Yes, ma'am.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
6 names, right?
Yes.
Who do you think it's going to be you?
Me.
Okay. What about the others? You don't think it's going to be you guys? Just a second. Let me just connect my charger. I don't know why it's not working.
When I spin it, I want to spin it. I'm pressing it. I want to spin it.
I'm gonna spin it. Ready? People, are you ready? Come on, give me some excitement at least.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, let's see who's going to the leader.
I want to be.
We are going to do week wise. Okay? And this is definitely if one person has come and they come again, they are going to be the week leader. Sounds good?
Okay. Oh my gosh.
This is purely luck.
No, not Ihan. Don't pick Ihan. No, again.
Congratulations, Ihan. You're going to be the leader this week. Okay?
No.
Let's call Ihan onto the stage and say a few words to us. Come on, Ihan.
Dude is shy. Dude is shy.
Dude is going to say something.
No, dude is shy.
Dude is still going to say something. Come on, buddy. Ihan.
He's probably thinking, oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure he's like thinking in his brain, oh my gosh. Hey.
Okay, he's ready. Barira, you have to let him speak. Ihan, you're going to be the leader. So, would you like to say a few words?
No.
Say, come on. It's like you're really happy, excited. You're going to do this something. Come on. 2 lines.
You can just do something, tell something.
Anything.
Nothing I don't have.
Are you happy to be the leader?
Yes. And why not say, I'm so happy to be the leader?
Say Only that much.
Is dude camera shy?
You're not letting him speak. That's why. Oh. Relax. You can say this much. I am very happy to be the leader. That's it. One line. Okay? Come on, Ihan.
What?
I am very happy to be the leader for this week.
How about we just let him go?
Come on. You have to unmute and say that.
Dude, not anyone there.
Okay, at least we heard that much, so that's a good start. And
No,
did you see Fakir's
say
expression? He was like, oh, thank God it's not me. He was like, thank God. It was like, I thought it would be Fateh, then suddenly it changed. Okay, Amila, you are not going to get attendance if your camera is turned off. You know that. I'm not going to give it to you.
Actually, I did not even want to be the monitor because it's kind of boring.
Why?
How's it not boring? You get to boss everybody around, tell what's good or bad.
It's more like helping your friends.
Yeah, and what's I would do that, but and you know what's my favorite part? Bossing the boys around because they keep bullying. Good morning, ma'am.
Finally, you woke up from your sleep. I heard you were sleeping in the morning time. That's why you didn't join the classes. Aishin?
You know why I couldn't I couldn't hear you because my speaker was having a problem.
Laisel, I added you to the talent club. Did you see that? Did you accept the invitation? Happy? So many people from so many sides told me, Laisel wants to join the talent club. Add him. I'm just like, I know. I am anyway going to add him. Then Shiny ma'am said, I think Milan also texted me, ma'am, he wants to join the talent club. Add him in the talent club. Yes, Amila.
Yeah, calendar is saying like. Ma'am, the calendar last period is revision.
Let me check. Share your calendar.
It's reaction. Oh, sorry, reaction. Sorry.
Recreation. It's recreation, not reaction.
Recreation.
Right?
Recreation. What are we going to do in it?
Okay, recreation is kind of like your free period. You can do anything you like with the teacher. You can suggest her, ma'am, let's do this. And if she wants, she will let you do. No studies.
Of course, everyone will say for a game kit. No. Yeah, everyone is going to ask game kit. They won't do anything
like recreation. This classroom. Check whether you have. Take your invitation. You have to join that classroom. Okay. You have to join recreation classroom in the last period, not here.
Now, can I join now? One question.
Not now. No, Barina, no. See, if you have taken the invitation, everyone just check. There's no invitation for me.
No, ma'am, no invitation.
No invitation? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Wait, let me check in my Gmail.
If it is not there, then all of you join here, okay?
Yeah, there's class invitation.
Then join.
But I don't know. One it's problem. Language club.
Okay. What? Then I think since only you guys are there, you will have to join here, okay? Join here. If any confusion is there, I'll join here for you guys. Sounds good?
I thought you were in talent club.
Yeah. So, last hour, join here. Okay, people?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye. Whose period is this? Who's supposed to come in the first hour?
It's Arabic.
Second so you're supposed to go. Go, people, go. Come.
Ma'am, I did not get the invitation, ma'am. I did not.
It's okay. Milan, you have to join here in this class, okay?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. People, go to your Arabic. Ishan, you're late for the assembly. Assembly is over.
I joined the teacher.
Ishan, I don't like this attitude. You have to join on time. Are you hearing me? Why you're not joining on time, Ishan? Yesterday.
Can I leave, please? Can I leave?
Bye, Barira. I gave you attendance yesterday. Today you are late means you joined after assembly time. Why? Ishan, today is your classroom open house, right?
Okay, see you later,
Your attendance
boys.
are very low. I'm going to talk to your mama today regarding this. Okay, people, you're going to leave. Go join your classes. Bye bye. Have a good day. Fateh, Ihan, Ishan, join your classes.
The class didn't start.
It's okay. You can join there. No issues. Mom is not there. Okay, let me check. I'll text my